What's up everybody, my name's Thomas, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Also, hit that thumbs up button, it'll really help my channel out and I greatly appreciate it. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I hand painted a pair of kids' shoes. These shoes are pretty much like slip-on Vans, just an off-brand blank pair. You can pick up a blank pair of these at Hobby Lobby for a few bucks. They're really cheap. These are a canvas material, and being so small, I chose not to use an airbrush on these. Instead, I chose to just paint them with a paintbrush. I did still use Createx airbrush paint straight out of the bottle. It worked really well. This was kind of experimental for me, but like I said, it worked out really well. And if I did another pair, I would probably do them the same way, just because they're so small. If I'm painting a pair of shoes for an adult, I would prefer to use the airbrush as much as possible and then just use the paintbrush for small detail areas. But paintbrushes just seem to be the way to go for this particular pair, so that's what I did. So these shoes turned out pretty cool. I did a couple of Paw Patrol characters on them. So if you want to see how it's done, stay tuned. But before we jump into the actual painting, check out my online store, workhardneversettle.com. I've got some cool shirts on there. I have a few that are dedicated towards airbrushing and art and tattoos and stuff like that. And there's also some other categories on there dedicated to fitness and motivational kind of stuff. So check that out. The link will be in the description section below. And now let's see how to paint some shoes.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh, cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. It's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out, it's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh. If you're on the bus, say yeah. If you're on the train, say yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Young or old, I really don't care. Life has never really been fair. So put your fist up in the air. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh. Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out, it's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take